हाँ जी, हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, yesterday we did structure of leaf. Today we are going to start venation. What is venation? Can anybody tell what is venation? बस दो ही बच्चों को पता होता है हर रोज. हाँ जी साव्या, आप लोग रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते हो. साव्या,
The kind of pattern which help us to find the type of root.
साव्या आई कुडंट हियर यू. क्या बोले हो आप? समझ नहीं आया मुझे.
A, a kind of design on leaf through which we can judge the type of root.
नो, ये नहीं बोलना. थ्रू विच वी कैन जज द टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. हाँ जी जलश. By the veins. It is pattern or design formed by veins on the leaves. Pattern or design formed by veins, right? So based on this pattern, based on this, venation can be of two types: parallel venation, reticulate venation. Right? What is parallel venation? In this venation, veins, they run parallel to each other, like this. Veins, they are parallel to each other. They do not form any design. They do not form any net-like structure. एक ये पैटर्न हो सकता है, एक और पैटर्न हो सकता है. In case of leaves, in case of parallel venation in leaves, one could be like this. Like this. This is also a parallel venation. Is that clear? Then is, what is reticulate venation? In this case, the leaves, they form a net, right? The veins are not parallel to each other. The veins are not parallel to each other. Like this. This is net-like design, right? Is that clear to all? ये जो साव्या ने बोला था कि by looking into the venation we can judge the type of root, right? So if a leaf has parallel venation, then it means the root will be fibrous. But if there is reticulate venation on the leaf, then it means it has taproot. Is that clear? It is taproot. Hurry up, do it. After that, we will be doing the functions. Functions of leaf. बना के ये भी बनाना है, नेट लाइक डिजाइन, तभी दिखेगा। और पैरेलल के आपने दोनों नहीं बनाए, मैंने दो बनवाए हैं ना। हरी आप, ठीक है बेटा। ये एक किस्म से आपके दोबारा से नोट्स बन रहे हैं। दृष्टि, प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट। अरमान सरंगल, आपका 4th लेक्चर होता है। यू हैव एंटर्ड इन 6th क्लास। हाँ जी, अगर मुझे यहां से स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, आई नीड टू प्रेस शिफ्ट 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 ऑल्ट एंड टी। हाँ, ये आ गया। ना, हाँ ये बंद हो गया ये तो। चलिए, लेट इट बी, आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई विल लर्न। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, is this clear to all? Okay, let us move to functions now. Okay, leave it everybody. Functions. What are the functions of a leaf? Number 1, it is the kitchen of the plant, right? Why kitchen? Because it prepares the food for the whole plant by a process called photosynthesis. कौन सा प्रोसेस है? Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Right? Clear? Then number 2, it bears stomata. Due to stomata, exchange of gases take place. Due to stomata, what is happening? Exchange of gases takes place. On the underside of the leaf, stomata are present. What are stomata? Stomata are tiny holes present under the leaf. These are stomata. इस तरह के structure, right? These are present on the underside of the leaf. Okay? Is that clear? They help in exchange of gases. चाहे respiration में, चाहे photosynthesis में, जो भी exchange होता है gases का, it is done by stomata. Right? Number 3, leaves help in transpiration. What is transpiration? Loss of water from the leaves. It is also done through stomata, right? So transpiration is done by leaves, right? Due to transpiration, plant body cool down. There is cooling down of plant body due to transpiration, right? Is that clear? Hopefully everything is done in case of leaf. You can, yeah, some leaves can be eaten. Some leaves store food, so they are edible. Right? हाँ जी, हो गया? कर लीजिए नोट, फिर हम नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन पे जाते हैं, नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे जाते हैं, दैट इज फ्लावर. हाँ तो व्हाट डू यू वांट? और क्या पॉइंट था, आप बताइए. हरी आप, डू इट. अगर किसी को डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क मी. जाइए. हाँ जी दिवांग, एनी डाउट? देवांग?
नो मैम.
हाँ जी, ओके.
मैम फॉर आंसर, मैम फॉर आंसर आई हैव.
हरमीत सिंह, एनी डाउट?
यस मैम. मैम जो आपने ऊपर फॉर्म्ड बाय वेन्स के साथ मैम वो क्या बनाया?
पैटर्न और डिजाइन. अच्छा ये क्या बनाया है? ये तो स्टोमेटा बना के दिखाया है आपको.
यस मैम.
स्टोमेटा.
ओके मैम.
इसमें क्या है, ये तो फोर्थ थर्ड फोर्थ में कराया हुआ है आपको. हाँ जी. शैल आई रेज दिस? चलिए, हो गया सबका? हाँ जी. लेट अस मूव टू फ्लावर. फ्लावर क्या है? इट इज द reproductive part of the plant. Reproductive part, right? Why reproductive part? Because this flower contain male and female parts, right? These parts are responsible for reproduction. Is that clear? Let us move to the structure of flower. So how you will draw? Draw this, right? Now draw this, draw this, draw this. Okay? Here just draw leaf-like structure. They are known as sepals. Then this swollen structure is thalamus. Then this stalk-like structure is pedicel. This brightly colored structure is petal. Right? Now come to the male and female reproductive parts. First of all, draw stigma like this. Then this style. Then draw the swollen ovary like this, right? Then draw like this. Then like this. Okay. Then draw like this. Draw like this. Draw like this. And draw like this. Right? Then do the labeling. Hanji. Do the labeling. This knob-like structure. This is anther. This slender structure, flexible structure, stalk-like structure is filament. They are the parts of stamen. Stamen is a male reproductive part, right? Then this is stigma. This tube-like structure, this is known as style. This round swollen structure is ovary. इसके अंदर bead-like structures are present. They are known as ovules. और ये stigma से लेके ये ovules तक it form female reproductive part, that is pistil. Right? Is that clear to all? Is that clear? This is the structure of LS of, TS of, VS of flower. Okay? If we cut open this anther, we will see. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? इस तरह से like this. This is a cut open anther. Right? Now, this is pollen sac. These are pollen grains. This is when anther is cut open. Right? हाँ जी हरमीत सिंह.
मैम एक बार पोलन ग्रेन्स और पोलन सैक की डेफिनेशन बोल दो.
Pollen grains are the dust-like structures or have male gametes in them. Pollen sacs are the sac-like structures which carry pollen grains. Right? हाँ जी. स्टेमन, एंथर और फिलामेंट क्या है? मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, स्टेमन के पार्ट्स. राइट? Hurry up, draw it, everybody. हाँ जी बेटे, सेपल्स थोड़ी सी ठीक करके बनाओ, ओवरी और ओव्यूल्स के स्पेलिंग गलत हैं, ठीक है। पेडिसल के स्पेलिंग देखो। हाँ जी बेटे, हाँ, pollen sac and these are pollen grains, right? Draw it hurriedly everybody. अगर किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ लो. Draw it. नीटली ड्रॉ करना है सबने. ओवरी ओव्यूल्स का ध्यान रखो, इसमें गड़बड़ियां करते हो आप. Hurry up everybody. Do it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. हाँ जी. Angad done. Draw it neatly. Yes, Sarwan. इधर रखो. ये ओव्यूल्स आप ओवरी ओव्यूल्स गलत बनाते हो. ये ओवरी बनाई ना, ठीक है. ये ऐसे बनाओ सी, ऐसे बनाओ सी. नाउ ऐसे एक साइड बन गई, दूसरी बिल्कुल इसके सामने ऐसे ही बनानी है, राइट. हाँ जी बेटा, राइट. ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Okay, students, any doubt to you now? Bell is going to ring.